Hey, what's up everyone? It's Sunday morning. I got a free day. I think I'm gonna work on the LX450 today. Let's check out and see what I got. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is work on the relocation kit. I'm gonna make sure I have all the hardware, all the parts before I get started. And looking at the inventory list here, it appears I do have everything. So let's get started. All right, so first I'm gonna unclip this, clip the harness, and then I got 2 bolts right here, and then one right here that I gotta remove. All right, so I got the 3 bolts removed, and gonna take this out. All right, let's see, so just pull this hose right out. One hand, there you go. Careful, it's gonna leak everywhere. All right, so first up is we're gonna mount this bracket onto the tank. All right, so I got this bracket on. Use the bolt. There's a flat washer, locking washer, and the nut right on there. It's not tight yet. I just hand tightened it. And then we're gonna get this bracket onto the other side right here. All right, so this is what it looks like with the second bracket in place. There's a 1/2 inch spacer right on the top. That's what it looks like. These are all hand tightened. I haven't tightened them down yet. I'm gonna wait till I get it in the vehicle. Okay, so now that we got the brackets onto the tank, what we're gonna do is remove these 2 bolts right here. This is the cruise control module. We're just gonna take these bolts out. All right, so I got these 2 bolts removed right here. I am going to remove this one right here. All right, so that one's removed. So now we're gonna place the tank right in there. All right, so the tank should just go right in there. And we're gonna put the bolts back in place. And then got one more down there. So I got the tank in place, still loose. I gotta tighten these 2. That one down there, and the bolts on the tank. Let's get those tightened up. All right, so with that mounted, we have to extend the wire harness to reach back to the tank, and Slee has supplied some wires for us. So what we got to do is cut this off and extend it. All right, so with the wire now extended, I'm gonna feed it underneath the air canister and into the back. Right here, so I can plug it back into the tank. There it is. And now I got the hose for the fluid. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it, shorten it, and then plug it back into the tank down there. Right down in there. Okay, so The tank is mounted and secure. All the bolts are tightened. The wire and hose are zip tied to the tank and plugged in. Now all I got to do is fill up the tank and we're good to go. And that completes the install, actually the relocation of the washer tank.